Good evening, guys. Today I'm gonna freestyle a paneer recipe. I'm just gonna go with it, put some spices in, put some masalas, Indian stuff in, and then let's see what we come out with in the end. So here I've got 250 grams of paneer, i.e. cottage cheese, and I'm just gonna marinate that with a few spices. So first I'm adding in some chili powder, about half a teaspoon of chili powder. And then we have about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste, of course. I'm putting about a fourth teaspoon. And I'm putting in about 1 teaspoon, generous teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Then I'm just going to mix that up with a spoon. So I'm just going to let that sit for about 30 minutes while I get my other ingredients ready. So I've let the paneer to marinate for 30 minutes and now I'm going to shallow fry them just so they're nice and crispy. So I'm adding about half a tablespoon of butter in here. Going to let that melt. Separate them all out like that so they cook evenly. Just going to check up on that. So they are turning slightly golden brown. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. But we don't want to overcook them. You should never overcook paneer because then they turn chewy and then that taste is not very nice. So I'm just going to leave them in there for a couple more minutes and then I'm going to take them out to rest. So I've just taken the paneer out and now in that same pan we're going to make the sauce. So I'm putting about 1 tablespoon of butter, letting it sizzle. To it I'm adding about a tablespoon of olive oil. To it I'm adding a teaspoon of cumin. Bay leaf. A few cardamoms. Cinnamon sticks. I'm just going to saute this for a couple of minutes. A little bit of ginger garlic paste. Mix that really well. Then I'm going to add in the onions. These are about half a cup of chopped onions. And we're going to cook these till they're nice and golden brown. If you find that the curry is a bit dry, add a little bit of water. Cook up your onions. So let that simmer for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add my spices. A bit of chili powder. A bit of turmeric. And I've added some coriander powder and cumin powder as well. So let that saute for literally 1 minute. Also adding in some garam masala and some salt. Can't make any dish without salt, otherwise there's no taste. Now I'm adding in my fresh tomatoes. And about half a tin of peeled tomatoes as well. Mash up all the peeled tomatoes, there shouldn't be any bits, you want it fully gravy-like. Allow that to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. To this I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Greek style yogurt. This will make our curry extra creamy. Just give that a mix. Let that simmer again for about 5 minutes. Add some kasuri methi. That's looking better to me. I'm going to add the fried paneer in at this point and allow that to mix in with the curry. Would you look at that, guys? The camera is not doing it justice. It is such a good consistency, just how I wanted it, not thin. That is perfect. And now to garnish. Now that's a chef's touch. Look at that, guys. I've just drizzled some fresh cream to give it that chef's touch. And that is ready to eat now. So that was the recipe for today. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. I'll think of it, and then the title of the video will be what I call it. So you'll probably see me saying this at the end of the video, but you'll already know what this dish is called before you even click on the video. So I'll think of a name, I'll ask my mum, and then I don't know, I'll tag it as that, I guess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another one of my recipes that I freestyled made. I might call it freestyle paneer, you never know. But yeah, there we have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give me recommendations for future videos, any other recipes you'd like to see. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Nabila, Nabila's _abode. It will be linked in the description box below, so do check that out and let me know what kind of videos and content you'd like to see next time. Bye guys!